Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discussing basic mathematics physics part 4 trigonometric values. So I think this is the last video of trigonometric formulas related. So shall we start? Okay, let's come here. See, basic mathematics physics trigonometry values. Trigonometry values. So what are the trigonometry values? Means sine 30 value, sine 45 value, and similarly cos 30, cos 45, sine 0, cos 0. These values are. So shall we start? I will tell one small technique, means a trick. So very useful trick this one. Listen here carefully. For example, initially you take 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Sorry, here 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So these are the 0 by 4, 1 by 4. Similarly, right here, this is related, right here sin theta, here write cos theta. Means reverse. Here 4 by 4 is there, right here initially 4 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 4, and 1 by 4, 0 by 4. Now apply these values root over. Okay, root over to apply to. So what happens here? Root overs means this is the 0 degrees, this is 30 degrees, this is 45 degrees, this is 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So I'm writing sin theta value here, sin theta and cos theta. Listen carefully, 0 by root over 0 by 4, this is the 0 degrees. I'm writing first thing 0 only. Okay, next 30 degrees, 1 by root 4 means 1 by 2. This is 30 degrees. And similarly 45 degrees, see here 2 by 2, here 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So root over means here 1 by root 2. I hope understood. Next similarly 60 degrees, root over root 3 by 4 means root 4 means 2 only. So root 3 by 2, and 90 degrees, 4 1s are 4 means here root over 1 means 1. So these are the 30 degree sine values, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Similarly cos theta equal to, here cos theta first initially root 4 by 4 is there, means here 1, and next this one root 3 by 2. Next to root 2 1s are 2 2s are means here 1 by root 2, 45 degrees. Next to 1 by root 4 means here 1 by 2, and similarly here 0. These are the trigonometric basic sine and cos values. Now got clearly sine and cos values. Now easy, very easy, sine tan theta and cot theta, cosec theta and secant theta. How it is simplified is, for example, tan 30 is there. So sine 30 by cos 30. No? We know already here sine 30 and cos 30. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. I am writing here clearly table. So very important table. This one very useful video and very useful concept, trigonometry values in further mathematics or physics also. So shall we write here? Yeah. So first thing here I am writing here, first 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So here writing here trigonometry functions sin theta and cos theta and tan theta and cot theta and cosec theta, and last one secant theta. These are the trigonometric formula functions. So first sin theta. See, listen carefully. One by one I am writing here. One by one writing. So table important thing. Here first sin 0. So sin 0 we know 0. Sin 30 1 by 2. 45 1 by root 2. 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. Okay. Next similarly cos values reverse 0, here 0, after that cos 60, reverse means 1 by root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2 and 0. Next tan theta. So for example, tan theta means here tan theta. So first is tan 0, sorry, here cos 0 value 1, cos 0 1 value na. So small confusion, sorry, extremely sorry. So listen, here cos 0 1. Next tan theta value sin 30 by cos 30, sin 0 by cos 0. So sin 0 0, sin 0 1. So means here 0 by 1 means 0 only. Okay, tan 0 0. Next to tan 30, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. This one tan 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1. Next root 3 by 2, root 3, this one root 3. And next sin tan 90, 1 by 0, infinity. Okay, I hope understood this one. Next cot theta, cot 0 means here cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Remember formula, I am writing here tan theta means sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. I hope understood this one. Next cot theta, cos theta by 1 by 0, infinity. Otherwise you write here tan opposite thing. So tan theta here tan 90 infinity, here cot 0 infinity. So vice versa, write here root 3 and 1 by root 3 and here 0. These are the cot values. And similarly cosec theta, listen carefully, cosec theta nothing but 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta means 1 by 0, here also infinity, 1 by 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 1 by 2, root 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. So next 1 by 1, here 1. So this one, are you clear this one for board? Okay. Next to secant theta, last thing, secant theta, cosec theta opposite thing. Okay, 1, 2 by root 3 and root 2 to infinity. These are the trigonometric values, sin 0 to 90 degrees. So remaining what are there? Sin 180 means 270 and 360 degrees, like that all things are there. Next we are going to writing that trigonometric values. So this is clear now. If you want this one, copy one by one. The main thing is this is the important 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, applying root over values, and similarly writing here sin value and cos value. After that we are writing remaining trigonometric values. I hope understood this one. So next I am writing here remaining from trigonometry values one by one. For example, sin 180, asking how much? Very simple. So sin 180, whenever giving this type of question, you write here sin 90 plus 90. So we know already sin A plus B formula. I am writing here sin A plus B formula. So what is sin A plus B formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is only na formula. Yeah. So sin 90 plus 90. See here sin 90 cos 90 plus cos 90 and sin 90. Means sin 180 value, this is cos 90 0 and here also cos 90 0. So answer is sin 180 0. Sin 180 value 0. I hope understood this one. Next, similarly, second one, cos 180. Cos 180, similarly cos 180 degrees means here right here 90 plus 90. This one also. So cos A plus B formula, cos A plus B formula apply here. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. So first cos 90, this one cos 90 minus sin 90, sin 90. So this thing is 0, this one sin 91, sin 91. So finally we are getting minus 1. Means here cos 180 value minus 1. I hope understood sine and cos values. I hope understood this one. Next, similarly, cos, sine cos clear, tan theta. Next to tan 180 degrees. Tan 180 degrees, how much? So see here, tan 180 means sine 180 by cos 180. Sin 180 0, this one minus 1 means 0. Tan 180 value 0. Very simple students, no problem. I hope understood sin tan 180 also. Okay, next to tan 180 clear. Next to fourth one sin 270 degrees. So we'll discuss 270 and remaining 120, 150 also. So first sin 270 means here writing sin 180 plus 90. Sin 180 plus 90. So shall I write here A plus B formula? Like apply here sin A plus B formula. I am writing here permanently A plus B up to class sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Means here first sin 180 into cos 90 plus cos 180 sin 90. Very simple, sin 180 0, cos 90 0. Okay, plus cos 180 minus 1 and sin 90 1. So final answer is sin 270 minus 1. Minus 1. So next cos. So fifth one cos 270 degrees means here 270 means cos 180 plus 90 means cos A plus B formula. We know cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Means I am writing here cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. See here first cos A means cos 180 means cos 180 cos 90. B means here this is A and B. Next similarly minus sin 180 plus into not plus sin 90. Means a cos 180 minus 1 cos 90 0 minus this is sin 180 0 and sin 90 1. So answer is 0. Means here cos 270 value 0. Next similarly very simple thing tan 270. Tan 270 means here tan means sin by cos. Sin 270 by cos 270. 270 means here minus 1 by 0 means infinity. Infinity tan 270 infinity. So remaining thing what are there? Remaining values sin 135, sin 120 and like 150 degrees. So shall we discuss that thing also? Yeah. So next seventh one listen here. So seventh one sin 120 degrees. So how much? So two things are there. First one sin 90 plus 30 and second thing is sin 180 minus 60. So anyone you use formula, no problem, you will get same answer. See here, first here I am taking here sine 90 plus 30. So sine A plus B formula. Sine A plus B formula we know sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So sine 90 cos 30 plus cos 90 sine 30. So these all values we know. Okay, so sine 90 1 no, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 90 0, sine 30 here 0 by 4 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 1 by 2 sine 30. So finally answer we are getting sine 120 root 3 by 2, sine 120 degrees root 3 by 2. Okay, I hope understood 7th one. Next similarly 8th one, 8th question, cos 120 degrees, same like that 90 plus 30, otherwise 180 minus 30, 180 minus 60, we get same value cos 30. So cos here I am taking here cos 90 plus 30. So here writing cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So substituting here 90 plus cos 90 cos 30 minus sin 90 sin 30. Clear now students? Do you have any doubts? Ask in comments, no problem, I will explain all things. So cos 90 0, next cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 90 1, this is 1 by 2. So answer is 1 minus 1 by 2, means here cos 120 degrees value minus 1 by 2. So clear now students? Okay, next ninth one. Ninth one, suppose we want here tan, ninth one tan 120 degrees. So we know tan means here sine 120 degrees by cos 120 degrees. This is the root 3 by 2 and this is minus 1 by 2. So cancel minus root 3. Tan 120 degrees minus 1 by, minus root 3. I hope understood this one. Next 10th one, 10th formula means 135 degrees. First sine 135 degrees. Sine 135. So take here same, no problem, 90 plus 45, otherwise 180 minus 45. So anyone you use formula, you will get same answer. So I am taking here, already we know sin A plus B formula is there. So I am taking here sin 90 plus 45 degrees, means sin A plus B, sin 90 cos 45 plus cos 90 sin 45. Sin 91 cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 90 0 and 1 by root 2. Answer is 1 by root 2. I hope understood this one. 90 plus 45 135, clear. So next similarly cos value, 11th one, cos 135 cos 90 plus 45. So formula changed here, same like that here cos 90 cos 45 minus sin 90 sin 45, cos 90 0, this is 1 by root 2 minus 1 into sin 45 1 by root 2. So answer is minus 1 by root 2. I hope understood. Cos 135 degrees minus 1 by root 2. 11th one. Next tan theta, tan 135 12th one. So 1 by root 2 by minus 1 by root 2. So answer is -1. Which one? Tan 135. How? Sin 135 by cos 135. Sin 135 1 by root 2. Cos 135 minus 1 by root 2. I hope understood this one also. Next to 13th one. So last three are there. 3 values, trigonometry values. So first thing is sin 150 degrees. Sin 150. Sin 90 plus 60. Simple formula, sin A plus B cos B. Sin 90 cos 60 plus cos 90 sin 60 degrees. Sin 91 cos 60 1 by 2 plus sin cos 90 0. This is the root 3 by 2 sin 60. So answer is 1 by 2. Which value this one? Sin 150 students. Okay, I hope understood this one. Next, similarly cos 150 tan 150. Cos 150 degrees cos 90 plus 60. Cos 90 cos 60 minus sin 90 sin 60. Cos 90 0, cos 60 1 by 2 minus 1 sin 60 root 3 by 2. So answer is minus root 3 by 2. So similarly we want tan 150 means sin 150 by cos 150. So substituted we get answer. So similar like that, suppose we want cosec theta, cosec 150 degrees. Very simple, 1 by sin 150 value. So already we know sin 150 value. So anyone you want values, so substitute similar directly in the trigonometric formulas relations. For example, we want tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. We want cosec theta value, so 1 by sin theta. Suppose secant theta 1 by cos theta. Suppose like sin theta means directly we substitute A plus B formula. So these are the trigonometric values. So do you have any doubts? So ask me in comment box. So keep watching videos. Thank you very much. All the best.